Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. This space is ice blocking, so I cleaning with water. Anyone don't put knife. So if see the ice block the all freeze, the chamber inside the all blocking inside the pen. I'm not sure. I open now and I will see. Maybe it's pen is broken or ice blocking. I will see broken. I will fix it. So if see anyone freeze is not cooling, you take your any open area that I take it my shower area. I cleaning that one with water. So just put water. Now I start to put water. My water pressure is low. I open now the hose pipe. Now I open the hand shower pipe, so I put pressure like this water. Now I open freeze cover, pen cover, and I will see inside if pen body is okay or any damage, because make big sound when is compressor running, that time make big sound. So I will check now. I open. There is back side also ice. Ice is catch the all this thermocol. So here I need to put also water. I open now this thermocol. I check it. This pen body is broken. This body is broken here because it's ice block. Still see have inside some ice, this corner.